So okay, let me check. Wow, look at this girl, dude. It's ulta again, right? Okay, I had to check like this. Still ulta. If you see this, it should be like it's almost right from your end. Okay, from that end. Okay. See, no, she changed the frame. Good one, dude. But like, let's try the other way also. Yeah. Okay. She tried. Okay. So all are trying this way. Sorry, my dear. All are trying this way. I want you to try this way. So when I put it here, oh, that's cool. I'll go there. Okay, this also cool. See this? Even this is good enough, right? Ah, Manvita, why are you looking at me like this? Oi, no, there's no Manvita there. It's written, dude. Check it out. You are looking like this. Huh? Where is Manvita? No. No? So, is it visible now? Now also? Now also? But let's still ulta. Try to make it from this angle. I'll come there. Okay. No, it's ulta, right? See? It's upside down. From here also upside. See this? Upside down. Now it's a double mirror image. Correct? When I look at this, it should be proper, not upside down. I'll come there, dude. She called me first. I should go to this beautiful girl here. What's your name, my dear? Dulika. Oh, Dulapstalal. Dulika. Huh. Not sure. Not. I'm also not sure. When you are not sure, how can I be sure, my dear? Huh. Huh. Oh, awesome. Look at this guy. Superman. Love you. Okay. Not that. Already I showed you that everyone is doing. Look at Kiran. Kiran made it. Huh. No, my dear. How? How? Look at, come here. Look at this guy. See this? When I'm checking like this guy is like, now it's not Kiran. Check this out. It's Kiran. Perfect? See? Oh, Pranav, that's cool. Maybe, girls, you can try the other way. You turn on the book and see. Is it coming good now? Oh my God, frame change. Awesome. Okay. What's in? Oh my God, a very creative dad and mom. Huh. Very good. Awesome. Many could do it, right? Awesome. So now I have magical stuff I want to show you. Now you tried, you used your brain and did something, right? Now hold your pen, the other hand. If you are a right hand guy, so use the other hand. Write it normally. As don't think, just as it goes, as it flows. Just as it flows, not thinking like Shashank. My name is Shashank, though. So Shashank, not like this. So you just do it as it flows and check in the mirror whether it is coming right now. The body is so beautifully made. It's already a mirror image. You should do it as it flows, not like thinking and writing your name. And check through mirror now. Automatically it is coming. Oh my God, OMG. ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ how many could do it and wonder wow no if you are not doing it you are thinking and doing it I want you to go as it flows got it awesome you did not get it what I'm trying to say is see now now your harsha you're writing harsha like this no you have to just do harsha as it flows try it now and without mirror you check it looks like some Hebrew but when you check it through mirror it's proper your name did you get it just write it the way it flows and look at it it looks like some horrible stuff but with mirror it's like wow did you get harsha there but nowhere you can read this as harsha try with mirror is it harsha awesome can someone what's this oh my God so but check with mirror awesome right so try doing that just as it flows ಹೇಳಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತೆ ವೆರಿ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ Huh. Could do it, no? Okay, example. Uh, check this out. What is this? What is this? You can never try, you cannot judge it, right? Check through mirror now. What is that written? Wow. Otherwise, you cannot read it even. Did you try it? How many I would like to see if you have not tried it? Example, I'll say, see what it is. Can you read it first? No? Can you read this? Huh? Oh man, this guy has a mirror in his eyes. Now? Awesome. Correct? Huh? You don't get it. For example, as it flows, for example, check it out. Can you read this? No, try it with the mirror now. What it says? Awesome. Okay, matlab, you can still better it. Correct? Cool, right? We'll never be able to know what that is. Correct? See, example. What is this? Hold on, what is this? You'll never know. Check with mirror now. No, everyone could do that. It says mind blowing. Huh. Awesome. You got your name, right? So, but did you try this way with the left hand? Okay, cool. No, you're typing, you're writing your name like this, yeah. It should flow. Example. It has to flow. Check it what it is. Ulta. Try this way. What is written? Babies. Matlab, I could. You could do it.
Hello.
Oh, okay, good. Yes, huh? Mirror. No, see this. What is that written? No, check it out. What is that written? Means you should write it as it flows.
Excellent.
Okay, whose pen is this?
1 minute. You directly started. That's the real
That's cool.
best thing of the day, actually. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಶಶಾಂಕ್. ಮಿರರ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಮೊದಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಮೊದಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಶಶಾಂಕ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ. He runs a company called Science Utsav. ಉತ್ಸವ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಉತ್ಸವ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪದ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಗಣೇಶ ಉತ್ಸವ್, ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ರಾಮೋತ್ಸವ್, ನರಸಿಂಹೋತ್ಸವ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಮಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೆರಡು. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಕಳಶ ಉತ್ಸವ ಎಲ್ಲಾಗತ್ತೆ? ತಿರುಪತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಹಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಉತ್ಸವ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಉತ್ಸವ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? celebration. So Science Utsav is what? Celebration of science. Is it not wonderful? It is. Science should be celebrated. Okay? If you are not celebrating, you are not learning. Again and again I keep saying that. So, to make you celebrate science, to show you the ways of celebrating science, today we had this activity session by Shashank. So we booked him in advance. I think I booked you in RRI,
Yes.
the Academy Trust, long ago, because he is a very, very busy man. Okay? He keeps doing these activities not only in Bangalore, across the country, even across the globe, I hope.
Across the country right now.
Across the country right now. It will go leaps and bounds. Okay? So this is one activity that he is showing it to you. Over a period of 3 hours, he will take you through the wonders. So you have constellation coordinates. It is not easy. it is it is not even complicated. Again, it demands celebration of concept, feeling it, enjoying it, absorbing it. So, constellation coordinates. You know constellations? How many constellations are there? How many constellations? Huh? 7. Next. 28. Next. More than a? May not be. Next. Roughly 88 plus. Roughly 88 plus. ತುಂಬ ಹೊಸ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಲೇಷನ್ನ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡಿಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದರ ಹೆಸರು ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ನೇಮ್. ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಲೇಷನ್ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಹರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್? ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಲೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ. ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಓಲ್ಡೆಸ್ಟ್. ತುಂಬ ದೂರ ಇದೆ ಅದು, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಸೊ 88 ಪ್ಲಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ 40 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಲೇಷನ್ಸನ್ನ ಟಾಲೆಮಿಕ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಟಾಲೆಮಿಕ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ? 150 AD. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 48. ಅಂದರೆ ದ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಅವಾಗಿದ್ದು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಇವಾಗಿರೋದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಈಗ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪಿಗೆ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸೀ ಅಂತ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಲೇಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು? ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ನ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಿರುಗಿಸಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಮಚ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಅದರಿಂದ. ಎರಡೂ ಇದೆ, ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗದೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ he will take you through. Before that, what? A big hand for Shashank. Soundu salilla. Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very nice. As usual, we welcome our coordinators, Jahnavi, Ajit, Lakshmi, and Sundar. They may be not physically visible, but they are visible to you. Yes or no? Every day, both of them are visible, no? Lakshmi and Sundar. So tomorrow you have a wonderful, wonderful trip. Elige? ISRO. Human Space Flight Center. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಸ್ಪೇಸಿಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಆರ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ವೆಲ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ವೆಲ್ ಬಿಹೇವ್ಡ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್, ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಹಾಗೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 40 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇರೋದು. ಯಾರಾದರೂ 7 ಜನ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇನೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಪ್ಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಈಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 47 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಪ್ಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಒಬ್ರಿಗೋ ಇಬ್ರಿಗೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊತೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಕಾಲು ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು 7 ಜನ ಯಾರೋ ಬರೋಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾರನ್ನ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಹಂಗೆ? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಲಂಚ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ತರಬೇಕು, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೀನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. ಆ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇದ್ದಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೀರು ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲಂಚ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ತರಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರೋ ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್. Okay, these are the 2 instructions I wanted to give. With you, Jahnavi will be there, Ajit will be there, and another teacher from Jain College will be there. I want to come, but I cannot because I have election duty to go. Okay, thank you. Over to Shashank.
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful.
Ma'am, thanks for this wonderful introduction.
88 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಲೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಡೇ ಇನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೇ ಔಟು ನೀವು ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಲೇಷನು? ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಲೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಎಷ್ಟು? 9 ಅಲ್ಲ, 12. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್? ಝೋಡಿಯಾಕಲ್. ಅಂಥವೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಝೋಡಿಯಾಕಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಲೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು? ಈಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕಾಶ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಥ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈಸ್ಟು ವೆಸ್ಟು, ಸೂರ್ಯ ಹುಟ್ಟೋದು ಈಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಳುಗೋದು ವೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಂಗೆ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಹುಟ್ಟೋದು ಈಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಳುಗೋದು ವೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ 360 ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಝೋಡಿಯಾಕಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಲೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಅದರಿಂದನೇ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋದು? ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಂಗೆ ಇವತ್ತೇನೋ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಂಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ದುಡ್ಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇವತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೇನೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದೆಮ್. ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ರೈಟ್? ನಾಟ್. ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಟು ಯು. ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ Shani, you can't miss Guru in life if both are there. Even if you believe that, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೂ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಶನಿ ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಗುರು ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ನೌ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಓವರ್ ಟು ಗುರು.
Thank you, ma'am. Good information. How many constellation we have explored already? 88 of them, and 12 of them are zodiac. Zodiac constellations means can name few of them. Aries, Leo, okay. Cancer, okay. Capricornus. Then they'll definitely know. ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾರೋ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ಹುಟ್ಟ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಹೂ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಬರ್ಡೇ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ? Okay. Okay, I'll tell you how it works, okay? Just to add to what ma'am was saying. See, example, you come here. I don't know how much it is true for English constellations right now because they stopped working on it long ago. But Indians still continue, right? The research is still on with us. For example, he is Sun, correct? So from Earth we are seeing, if he is Sun, if I am that constellation, so usually I take around 30 days approximately to enter this zone and come out of this. Or Sun to, if I'm like this, can you please enter me? No, I am the constellation, enter from here. Means one day, the first day Sun will be here every day. If I'm the constellation, second day will here, third, fourth, fifth, 30 days, it will take me to cross me. If in this period someone is born, they belong to that constellation. For example, you know Makara Sankranti? Makara Sankranti. Sankranti means transition. Makara means Capricornus. Correct? Makara Rashi. Alva? Capricornus. Means transition of Makara. Means transition of Capricornus. Means on that day, the sun is entering which constellation? Makara, the Capricornus. He is entering that day. That day is celebrated as Makara Sankranti. India, that's the only festival in India we celebrate through sun movements. Rest all are moon. Correct? Holi, Yugadi, all, even Dasara, Deepavali, everything on moon based. Only Makara Sankranti is on sun based. Okay? Sit down. So means it is not actually correct. To me, it's always curly because they stopped doing it, right? For example, when it comes to moon sign, again, who would like to be a moon? If I am the, if he is the moon, I am that constellation. Usually, moon to cross the constellation, it will take 2.5 days. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇವತ್ತು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಮಕರ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾಳೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಜಾತಕದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. ಬಟ್ ಸನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವೈ? it will take 30 days. They know those that seasonal ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, April 26th ಇಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು May 26th Aries ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, that will remain constant for sun. But for moon it takes how many days? To 2.5 days to cross me. In this period someone is born, they are from moon sign. ನೀವು ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ, it is so confusing. because you do not know whether that's a zodiac sign or a moon sign. Correct? So don't get confused because they're also confused. If you really believe it, then you have to see transition of moon through the constellation. ಓಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೀಟೇಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಲೈಕ್ ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಈ ಥರ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ಬೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಡಿಟೇಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಟು ಬಿಫೋರ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ದೇರ್. ರೂಟ್ ಸಿಟ್ ಡೌನ್. ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಿಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಚಿಲ್ ಥ್ರೋ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಔಟ್. ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡು ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೈಫ್ದು ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲಿದೆ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ತುಂಬ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು, ನಾವು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರೋಣ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಕರಿಯರ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್? ಐ ನೋ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್, ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಬಾಯ್. ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್? Oh, scientist. What kind of a scientist? You do not know what you want to become? Good, that's a good sign. You do not know what you want to become. What engineer? Software engineer. Okay. Jet pilot. Good. You have to eat for that. Huh? Software engineer. Mechanical engineer. IAS. You want to administrate us. Surgeon. So, how many would like to become an astrophysicist? Okay, so the aspirants for astrophysicists also. There are scientists, there are aspirants for engineers, because we are influenced by this community around. ISRO, astrophysics, software engineers, this one. There are many scientists in Bangalore. So means what is influencing us is people around. Correct? How many of would like to become a painting engineer? The engineer, chemical engineer, a paint engineer who can develop different kinds of paints. None of you, because that's the reason that whole industry is taken over by Europe or some other country, and that's a huge business. Correct? Because look at the paint. I never dared to do this when I was young. Alva? Okay, distemper ಕೈಗೆ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. Now it's an emulsion. Emulsion ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What's emulsion? It's a kind of solution. Is it a kind of solution or a colloid or a suspension? It's kind of a colloid. What does it mean? Oil and water together, right? But what we add to mix them? Egg yolk is an example. ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಎರಡು ಆಯಿಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ವಾಟರ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೋಪ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ okay, see, means what I'm trying to say is these grades 6, 7, 8, 9, so they drive most of our life. Correct? Then we have to go to details to understand adhesion, cohesion, colloids, mixtures, and the kind of paints we have here. Every paint, the fabric paints to vehicle paints to wall paints to oil paints. Don't you think they are amazing? But like the career opportunity is always away from us because we haven't learned chemistry properly. Correct? So, but look at the business opportunity. End of the day, money runs us, right? The entrepreneurship is what? Creating whatever software we are talking about. We work for IBM, Microsoft. Even though we work for Infosys, again we're working for some banks outside the country. So for our own economy, what are we doing? So whatever you study, whatever books you study, maybe chemical reactions, maybe acids and bases, maybe metals and non-metals, maybe carbon and its compounds. Chapter I'm naming from your textbook. Correct? And which is the next chapter? Periodic table. That is omitted from your syllabus this year. See, I know it. And then comes what? Life processes, control coordination. Acid base already told. That's the second chapter. Then organic chemistry, carbon and compounds, already told. But already, I think you're sleeping. Then our environment, natural resources, light, optics. Then colorful world, hydrogen is a 9th standard. Human eye. I'm talking about CBSE. I don't know if you're in ICSE. Light, electricity, electromagnetism, a magnetic effect of electricity. Means, do one thing when you are studying, left hand rule, right hand rule, don't go there. You just study through the career opportunities. If I study this, what is a career I can pick up tomorrow? If you start looking that way, example, oxidation reduction reaction, look, that is running the world right now. Why? Can someone tell me why oxidation and reduction reaction running the world right now? Batteries. Battery operation is completely oxidation reduction reaction. Awesome, right? Ionization, ions, lithium ion batteries. Again, oxidation reduction reactions. So, if you really think through career, think through entrepreneurship, think through growing, then they all become magical for you. Otherwise, you'll get reduced. Correct? So, you want to be metals or non-metals? You want to lose away negativity. Correct? So, lose that and be that positive guy always, and 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 explore through careers. Why I'm telling this is, whatever I'm telling, whether today I'm going to teach you these star coordinates, think through that. When I say watch stars, you might say, I do not have time to study, how can I go watch stars? But that might lead you to answer your a question, 2 marks question, saying why stars blink. Again, if you think through marks, things will shake. Think through career, things will, they become smooth. Correct? Left hand, right hand rule, there's nothing great in it. If you go and watch, there are hundreds of videos. Don't go through your question paper and answer solving. Question and answer, exam papers are last December onwards. From December onwards, you should think through your question paper. But now, if you think through question paper, you will never land anywhere. Right now, think through career. Go and watch as many as videos possible. If I learn right hand and left hand rule, what is it I can achieve? Do you know what is that we can achieve? How many of you have Ola bike or any electrical bike at home? Can you take reverse in that? That's because of left hand and right hand rule. Right hand rule maybe. Because motors, that reversing is possible because of that. Motor will be reversed if terminals are reversed. Do you know that? For example, take motor, positive, negative, it will run clockwise. If you exchange it, it will rotate anti-clockwise. That is what they want to teach through so much of complications. If you know that I can design a reverse motor, then you learn it easily. Then you'll understand why I want a reverse current. Otherwise, you'll be wondering, why will I need a reverse current? Current is going there, let it go in that direction. Why I want it come back? Correct? So if you know this opportunity, career opportunity there, or technology through there, you'll be able to figure it out why you want to read that. So next 6-7 months, at least for next 2 months, if you're not going to tuitions, next 2 months, go and watch maximum videos possible on application of this, application of this, application of this, application of electromagnetic motors, types of motors, how motor works, how coiling is made. Go to a fan shop, pick a old motor, understand, if a old mixer, hammer it down, open that and see how coiling is done inside. Please do this. Your pressure will be zero, my dear friend. I'll promise you. Do this first. If you want to buy some kits, series circuit, parallel circuit, a multimeter, you know how much a multimeter does cost? 120 rupees. Correct? Go and check your voltage, your current through some wire, resistivity, big wire, small wire, thick wire, thin wire, water. Find out what is the resistivity, what is resistance. So means if you go through that practically, things would be. I can do all these things because I didn't know that what is for summer camp. Usually we do through activities only in Science Utsav. So let's get back to the activity before you start sleeping. Okay, shall we? Yeah. What I want you to do is, I'll be talking because I want to share lots of information, this silly information like this, correct? So they look silly, but they're not hardcore information, but that will drive you to that hardcore, whatever required to learn, correct? So someone help me distribute these graph sheets, one each. And also you distribute these black sheets to everyone. Why are you staring at me like this? See, she stopped. I asked you, why are you staring at me? She's like, I'll eat you off. Miss Pressure, distribute this. What's your name? I want to talk to your dad and mom. No, sir. I'll not do that, my dear. Why will I do so? You can still stare. No, I'll not. I'll ask you why. You just did this. You can still stare, look into my eyes, and ask anything if you want to ask. Next. Wow. Big clap for her. This is for you. You already taken. Good. Yes. Huh. They're distributing. While doing this activity, this is like a, I'll not talk, you'll be doing everything on yourself now. Meantime, anyone would like to ask, because this is not that calculation kind of a stuff. Simple graphing stuff we'll be doing. Meantime, I'm going to explain few things around also. If you want to ask, if you want to ask anything related to career connected to till now what you have studied, you can talk to me. Correct? There are next 10 years going to change for all of us, because agriculture, earlier only BSc agriculture was there. Correct? Now things have changed. Now robotics in agriculture has come, agro engineering has come, agro statistics has come. Correct? So we don't know what next 10 years will lead to. By the time you are ready for the job, the kind of job right now we have may not be there, or maybe new job might have come. Correct? How many of you know ChatGPT? See, all of you. How many of you use it? You don't know how to use it? You must know this. Oh, unfortunately, this is not connected. You do one thing. You open Chrome or Bing. There is one ChatGPT option will come. Just log into that. You type whatever you want, it will answer. But don't accept all the answer given by that is right. Huh? Sometimes you re-ask the same question, it might apologize and saying, I'm still learning. But it's a nice thing to chat. Anything you ask, it will tell you. It's a nice thing to use. After that, things going to change for all of us. Because earlier, you have to remember so many things. And you have to memorize so many things. Now, with ChatGPT, every information is just in fingertips. Then you might have to analyze those and move forward. Don't know what that will lead to. Correct? So please open up. My request is, while doing this, open up and talk to me for these silly stuffs. Anything, it can be any silly for our age. Correct? Why we grow mustache can also be the question. I still remember one of my friends asked, why we grow armpit hair. I was like, how can you ask that question in a class? I still remember that I do not want to take his name, but even though I take, who will know? So I was, means even every generation had crazy people, right? So you can ask any crappy questions like that. Let's figure out if we can answer, or we'll discuss, or anything related to Eki science or career science or anything we can discuss. Even hardcore 10th grade questions also we can take it up. Correct? So we'll start this now. Meantime, I want to take your questions. Okay. Few things before we start. There is how many of you know this software? Okay, good. There is one more easy app in the mobile phone. What it is called? This Stellarium is called. It's also an app available in your phone. Okay. Also, there is one more easy one. It's called SkyMap, Google SkyMap. How many of you know Google SkyMap? Okay. How many of you use it? Oh, fantastic, dude. Superb. It's called as SkyMap. The SkyMap app looks like this. It's like a window to the sky. What I am seeing right now is what I'm seeing in the sky right now. Same will be there in the sky right now. Awesome? I'll not see you here. I'll see sky there outside. Correct? So for example, I can search also. If I search for sun, it will show me where sun is. See this? Oh. Here the sun is. Correct? So that is a window to the sky. Anything you just install the app and switch on your GPS and internet, and you can find out all planets, name of the stars. Every star will have a name. You can find it out, and so many beautiful things around. Good. So if you have a mobile phone, any of you? Okay, open that and we can. You want to install? You can install also. Sky map. Better. Okay, this is Apple. No. Oh, Samsung. Then fine. You can. This is easy to use. Skywalk. This is Sky Map. If you have a mobile phone, please install Sky Map. Install immediately. Both are not same. There are hundreds of apps. I use Google Sky Map and Stellarium. Stellarium is more advanced, and Sky Map is easy to use. I suggest Sky Map if you are a beginner. If you are more, if you know already, then use Stellarium. That is Stellarium. I suggest you to start with Sky Map. Sky Map. Go home, take your dad's mom phone and install it today only. And have you seen in marriages, dad showing a nakshatra to mom? Which nakshatra is that? Arundhati. Do you know the story? Mom would never know, dad also would never know. It would have just shown like this for a photograph. But I'll show you that Arundhati nakshatra. You also go and show that to your mom and dad today. See, you know Saptarushi Mandala? Okay, that is Arsa Major. This is Arsa Minor. Arsa Minor is not visible in Bangalore because we have something called as pole star, right? Pole star is always. Am I really going too detailed? Are you enjoying? Shall we go detailed into the sky? No? Smile. You have beautiful smile. Smile. No, do not want to. Good one. Okay. So then, please forgive me if I'm going too detail. You can raise your hand, Shashank. Let's talk some nonsense before we go there, so that let's ease our pressure on the head. Okay. So shall I go deeper into the sky now? Ready? Okay. Still, you can stop me and have some nonsense discussion. Come back there. Correct? Great. The beautiful sky. Correct? So we have north, south, east, west. Correct? We see sun appearing in the east. She's looking back when something happening beside. So sun appears to rise in the, correct? So if I am that earth, you come here. You are my darling today. So this guy means now I'm able to see him. I'm able to see him. No. Now sun is rising for me. I'm able to see him, right? Now around 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, now 12 o'clock. Correct? Then what's the time now? 3. Evening dode is going away from my view. 6. Perfect. So then night. Bye bye. Come again. Good morning. Good evening. Good night. Correct? This is what is happening. Correct? Imagine if he is that guy, you 3 girls come in. Check ಮಾಡಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. You know dance? Which dance? ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, imagine these are stars. What are they? They are also, for example, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿರಿ ಇವಾಗ, he is sun. As he moves, you should also move. Okay, from the same position. Okay, keep moving. Same position, same. Keep moving. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I said good night to him. Hold on. Forget sun now. Forget sun now. Sun is not with me. Sun is also a star, right? I mean, these are stars, right? Are you a star? You are a star. Correct. So feel that you are a star. Correct? Feel that. Uh, so star, now this star is rising for me. Yes, rise for me. Awesome. Stars also every morning they rise and set. But because of this guy, he's so bright, he captures all the attention. He's like Shah Rukh Khan. When Shah Rukh Khan is here, Shivraj Kumar is not seen at all. Even though he is also SRK for Karnataka. Shivraj Kumar, SRK, right? When Shah Rukh Khan comes, Shivraj, maybe we have better great fans for Shivraj Kumar also. I should not deny that. But what I'm trying to say is, if there is a Fardeen Khan and Salman Khan, no one will see Fardeen Khan, right? Everyone would go to Salman Khan. Same happens here. Don't record my video. You have to pay me for that later. Because you're capturing stars. How can you do that? So where were we? Sun. It looks like they are not rising in the morning, but rising in the evening. Correct? Means these stars rise, stars set. Got it? What if there is a star on my head? It's always there. Is it not? It's always there. There's a, means now it is two-dimensional. Imagine three-dimensional. There is a star here also, here also. You want to come here? No. Kung Fu. Ooh! No? Yeah. There is a star here. This is also moving with me, right? Three-dimensional. What if there's a star on the top? He'll never change. Got it? And I'm not like this. No, my eyes not like this. I'm earth. Means I'm round. I have millions eyes all through that sphere. Means very difficult to imagine, right? Imagine these amazing astronomers done amazing stuff for us. Whatever mobile phone you are using because of them. Without them, this evolution wouldn't have happened, right? You would have studied for exams. So only marks they would have got. They would have not. We would have not got our mobile phones. They thought through their careers. So they understood the star movement, planetary movements, what happened, what rise, what set, then whatever we are now because of them. Awesome? Okay, now you are stars, he is sun. My dear moon. Moon, what moon is doing? Moon is little fast. No, he's not doing this, right? Is he doing this? He's also slow like them, right? He also rises. He rises in the... You stay there, huh? Huh? He rises in the night. Depending on when you rise. Correct? Okay, I'll take your words. Let him rise in the evening only. Darling, you know what is the meaning of Shashank? Moon. ಶಶಿಯಂತೆ ಅಂಕವಾದವನು ಶಶಾಂಕ. ಪ್ರಿಯವಾಗಿ ಅಂಕವಾದವನು ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕ. ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಶಶಿಯಂತೆ ಅಂಕವಾದವನು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಶಶಾಂಕ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಐಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೂನ್, ಐ ಲುಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೂನ್. ಸ್ಟೂಪಿಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಸೊ if he is moon, correct? Now this guy is, the position of this guy will never change. Because why I'm telling, usually they are the one, they are not the people who are moving. Actually I am moving, right? It's ulta, right? Now good morning, it should be like this. Bye bye, good evening. But it looks like he is moving, but I am moving, right? For me also. Hi darling, how are you? Bye bye bye. Hi son, good morning. Oh, here only good morning already. Correct? In the morning is already there. Now it's afternoon. Hi, good afternoon. Okay. Now good evening. Now it's good morning for you. Now good afternoon. You straight in front of me. When I come here, you are good evening. Still she is not good evening. She is 3 o'clock for me. And now she is 6 o'clock for me. Got it? But this guy, he's changing his position. He'll be here, he'll be here, he'll be here, because he is rotating on me again. So it's so ಇವನು ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನಲ್ವಾ, ಇವ್ ನಂಗೆ ಲೈನ್ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಇವನು ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಈಸ್ ಲಿಟ್ಲ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟರ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅವನು ನಾನು ತಿರ್ತಾ ಅವನು ತಿರುಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಒಂದಿನ ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾನೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದಿನ ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಂದಿನ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ. ಇವಾಗ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್. ಟೆಲ್ ಮೀ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೂನ್ ರೈಸ್ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೀನ ನೀವು. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೂನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೂನ್ ರೈಸ್ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ? Moon rise, I meant not the sunrise because we see him. Rise for us right now means seeing. Correct? For him, only this guy is ulta. Rest all we are nocturnal people. He's only the day boy. Alva? Iga heli, what is the moon rise timing for us? I told you, his position is changing. One day is here. Good morning at some time. Maybe now I'm saying good morning to him. You come here now. Now he's here. He's changing all the time. Sometimes he comes at 6 o'clock. Sometimes morning only is seen. Then what is the moon rise timing? 12 o'clock. Huh? No one wants a chocolate. Okay, another question here. Very ironic it is. Very ironic. Because we are born and lived and what all we have done with moon. Correct? For someone he's a mama. Correct? ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ನೋ ಕನ್ನಡ, ರೈಟ್? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚಂದ ಮಾಮ ನೋಡಿನೇ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? even though that mama has not bought us any chocolate still now. Correct? You are born with that guy, yaar. You have been watching through him. Sometime when you are alone, loner, you'll be still watching him and wondering how beautiful that guy is. Alva? But you never know, till now you do not know whether you'll be able to see moon at 9 o'clock every day or not. Are you able to see moon every day at 9 o'clock in the night? Have you watched it? 9 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಗುರು, ರಾತ್ರಿ 9 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ರಾತ್ರಿ 9 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಮೂನ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಾ? ಮೋಡ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಕು ಗುರು. ಮೋಡನ ಬಾಯ್ ಅಣ್ಣ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎರೇಸ್ ಮೋಡ. Are you able to see moon at 9 o'clock every day? He said no. 10 o'clock? 11 o'clock? ಯಾಕೆ? ನೋ ಮೂನ್ ಡೇನು ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಕಣ ಗುರು. ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ನೋ ಮೂನ್ ಡೇ ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ಡ್. ನ್ಯೂ ಮೂನ್ ಡೇ ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ 10 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಚಂದ್ರ ಕಾಣ್ತಾನ? ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ? ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು. ಈಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ I'll tell you wonderful thing today. That wonderful thing is this. Hi darling, little go away from me. ಎಷ್ಟು ಹತ್ರನೂ ಬರ್ಬೇಡ ಗುರು ನೀನು. One day his pattern is like this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾ, ದೂರ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ? ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಇವಾಗ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಗೈ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪಕ್ಷ ಶುಕ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಷ ಕೇಳಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ? ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪಕ್ಷ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ? ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು? Awesome man, give me high five. Good. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಗುರು? ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ತಗೋಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ನಮಗೂ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬಿಡು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಂಗೆ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗೆ ದಿನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನೋ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ತಗೋಬೇಡ ಕಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತ ಅವನಿಗೆ. Big clap for him. Amazing information. Draupadi was called as Krishna. Means she was dark complexion. I am also Krishna because I have a dark complexion, right? So Krishna means darkness, means Amavasya time. Andre he is not visible in the visible. That paksha is called as waning and ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳೋದು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರು, ವ್ಯಾಗಿಂಗ್, ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್, sorry, waxing and waning. So that is Krishna Paksha and Shukla Paksha, correct. So now when this guy is here, now I'm rotating. I think this should answer your question. When moon is here and every day he will travel 15 degrees. Here, next, here, every day. Now day 1. Day 1 you should be here. Day 1, sun is rising for us. Correct? Sun is rising for me, right? Good morning. You are not moving. I am moving. You guys are not moving. I am the one moving, right? So now, when this guy is rising in the morning, correct? Means it's like this, right? What's happening to this guy? You are not moving, my dear friend. Every day you move 15 degree, I said. No, not 15 degree. Means, 30 ದಿನ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 30 ದಿನ 2 degrees you move. Okay, I'll tell you. ಈಗ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಇದು ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇವಾಗ ಚಂದ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ? ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನು? ಇದು ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವನೆಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ? ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಇವಾಗ ಅವನು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ? ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 6 o'clock ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? Now morning 6 o'clock this guy is here. Hi, good morning. Afternoon moon ಕಾಣ್ತಾನ ನಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Now evening, bye bye, good evening. ಈ ಮೂನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ದಾನ ನಂಗೆ? ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ? 6 o'clock ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಡೇ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಮೂನ್ ಡೇ. ಅವನು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ 6 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೂ ಕಾಣ್ತಾನೆ ನಂಗೆ ಅವನು, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ, 6 ಗಂಟೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ರಾತ್ರಿ 7 ಗಂಟೆ, 8 ಗಂಟೆ, 9 ಗಂಟೆ, 10 ಗಂಟೆ, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ಗಂಟೆ ಬಂತು, ಸೂರ್ಯ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಳುಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನು, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇವಾಗ ನೀನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾ. ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆ ಇವಾಗ? ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನ ನನಗೆ ಮೂನು? ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಮೂನು. 6 ಗಂಟೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ನನಗೆ. ಅದು ಮಿಡಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೈಲ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಡಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನಾ? 12 ಗಂಟೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಮೂನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆ ಮುಳುಗ್ದ ಇವಾಗ? 1 o'clock ಮುಳುಗ್ದ, ಅಲ್ವಾ? 1 o'clock ಮುಳುಗೋಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಆಯಿತು, 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ. 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಚಂದ್ರ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನಾ? 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ, 8, 9, 10 ಗಂಟೆ ಕಾಣಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಾ ಇವಾಗ, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆ? 6 ಗಂಟೆ. ಯಾಕೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಸೂರ್ಯ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ನನಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ 6 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಯಿತು. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೂ, 2 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸೂರ್ಯಂದು ಚಂದ್ರ ರೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಇವಾಗ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ? ರಾತ್ರಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಇವಾಗ, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಾ, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ರ ಬಾ. ಈಗ ಚಂದ್ರ ಕಾಣ್ತಾನ ನನಗೆ? ಬೆಳಕು ಅವನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಚಂದ್ರ ಕಾಣದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ಇವಾಗ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಅವನದೇ ಬೆಳಕು. ಇವ್ನು ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಫುಲ್ ಬೆಳಕು ತಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇವಂದು, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವನ್ ಬೆಳಕಲ್ಲಿ ಚಂದ್ರ ಕಾಣದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಎಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಮೂನ್ ರೈಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನು ಇವಾಗ? ಸನ್ ರೈಸ್ ಟೈಮಿಂಗು? ಓಕೆ, ಇಬ್ರಿಗೂ ಬಾಯಿ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ. ಚಂದ್ರ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನ? ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನ? ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆವರೆಗೂ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ, ರಾತ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಂದ್ರ ಕಂಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಡೇ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್, ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ವಿಚ್ ಡೇ is called as new moon day? When sun and moon are rising together and setting together. Awesome. So moon rising time every day 1 hour change ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ವಾ? The day he rises with a set, if moon rises with a sunset, that day is new moon day. Awesome. ಇವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಬೇಡ ಇವಾಗ. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ? ಎಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಎಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಸಿಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ, ಇದ್ರೆ ಬೇಡ. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್, ರೈಟ್? ಎಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಇವನು ಇಲ್ಲಿರಲ್ಲ, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇವನು ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ನಾನು ಕಾಣೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಗೈ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಬೆಳಕಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಲ್ವಾ? ನಾನು ಬೆಳಕು ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಕಾಣ್ತೀನಾ? ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಎಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವನು ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ, ಇದು 3 dimensional. ಆ 3 dimension ಇವನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆ ಇಷ್ಟು ನೆರಳು ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಇವಾಗ ಅವನದು ನೆರಳು ಇವಂದು ನೆರಳು ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಿದೆಯೋ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವೋ? ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇವನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಇವ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅವ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ನೆರಳು ಬೀಳುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ದಟ್ ಡೇ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮಾ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಸ್. ಎವ್ರಿ ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮಾ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯೆ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಸೈಡಿಂದ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಶೇಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವು. ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಇರ್ತಾನೋ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾನೋ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಇರ್ತಾನೋ ಅವ್ನು ಮುನ್ನು. 3 ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ, 2 ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಇವ್ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಈ ಶಾಡೋ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಎಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇವಾಗ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಆಸಮ್, ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬೈ. ನೌ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರೈಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್, ಗುಡ್ ಟು ಗೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದೇನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನಾರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಸೌತ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಈ ನಾರ್ತಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ, ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗಿರ್ಬೋದು 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 ಹಿಂಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇದು ಇಕ್ವೇಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದು ಇಕ್ವೇಟರ್, ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೋಡೋದು. ಇವಾಗ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ಇವಾಗ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ, ಇವಾಗ ಚೈನಾ, ಇವಾಗ ಡೆನ್ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ಇವಾಗ ಪೋಲ್ಸ್. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ, ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾ, ಅಂಟಾರ್ಟಿಕಾ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಟರ್. ನಾನು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀನು ನಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಕಾಣ್ತೀಯಾ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಈಗ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾನು ಭೂಮಿ ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ. ನಾನು ಅಂಟಾರ್ಟಿಕಾ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇವಳು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಾಣೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ಅವಳು. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನೆವರ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಹರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಾನು ಪೋಲಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಳು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನೆವರ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಹರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್, ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ನನಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ? ಹಿಂಗೆ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು? ನಾರ್ತ್ ಪೋಲಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಪೋಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಪೋಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರು ಅಂಟಾರ್ಟಿಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಾ? ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ, ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಂಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಭೂಮಿ ಹಿಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತರೋಣ. ಇವಾಗ ಇಕ್ವೇಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಏರೋಬಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫ್ರೇಮ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಇಕ್ವೇಟರ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ತನಕ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಇದು ಇಕ್ವೇಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಇದು ಪೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಪೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಲ್ವ. ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನಾ? ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಪೋಲ್, ಇದು ಇಕ್ವೇಟರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಇದು ಇಕ್ವೇಟರ್, ಇದು ಪೋಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನನಗೇನು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ? ಪೋಲ್ಸ್. ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪೋಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್. ನಂಗೇನು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಪೋಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಾನಿವಾಗ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅವ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾನಲ್ವಾ, ಅವನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವ್ನು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನಂಗಲ್ವಾ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಇವಳು ಮುಖ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಾನು ಇಕ್ವೇಟರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ, ಪೋಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ. ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೀಯಪ್ಪ, ಆ್ಯಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತೀಯ, ಆದರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಇವಾಗ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಥರ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ. ಇದು ಗ್ಲೋಬ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಲಾಂಗಿಟ್ಯೂಡಾ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡಾ? ಲಾಂಗಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಬ್ರಿಟನ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಂಗಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಅಂಟಾರ್ಟಿಕಾ ಟು ಪೋಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್. ನನಗೆ ಇವಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾಳೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? 13 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾಳೆ. 12.97. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ನಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 12.97. That's my latitude. That's the latitude of Bangalore. If my latitude is 90, ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಬೇಕು? ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಫ್ ಮೈ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇಸ್ 0, ಅವ್ರು ಕಾಣೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಫುಲ್ ಎಡ್ಜಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಗುಡ್ ಟು ಗೋ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ನಮಗೆ ಪೋಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಏನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿಲಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ? 12 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಲಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ, ನೀವು ಯಾವ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಯಾವ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಹೇಗಂತ ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ? ಈ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ನಾನು ನಿಂಗಲ್ವಾ? ಪೋಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ನಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ರಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು? ಆ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ದೇಶ ಪ್ರಪಂಚನೇ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ದ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳು? ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ನಾನು. ವೆನ್ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಗೂಗಲ್. ಯಾರೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವಾಗ? ಗಾಡ್ ವಾಸ್ಕೋಡಿ ಗಾಮ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಮೆರಿಗೋ ವೆಸ್ಪೂಸಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೀವಿ, ಯಾವ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನ ವಾಡದ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ. ನೋಡಿ, ಆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು, ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಇಟ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಬಿಸಿ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್. ದೋಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಬಿಸಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್. Now you think through your textbook. You want to think through your papers, or you want to think through your career? Both are important, because to reach career this is also important. But if you think through your career, because we are all bloody selfish people, right? If you know why this is required for me, rest will be easy for us. Good to go. So ನೀವು ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಡೆಲ್ಲಿದು ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ಬೋದು? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇದೆ, ಅರೌಂಡ್ 23 ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯುರೋಪಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 45 ವರೆಗೂ ಬಂದಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಡೆನ್ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ 45 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮುಳುಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಡೆನ್ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 3-4 months. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಶಿಪ್ ಡಿಸೈನರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಬೆಳಕು ಹಂಗೆ ಇರೋದು. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವಾವ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 10 ಗಂಟೆ, ರಾತ್ರಿ 10 ಗಂಟೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರೋದಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಗಂಟೆ ಥರ ಇರೋದು. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ವಾವ್, ಸೂಪರ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್. ಇವನ್ ಇನ್ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ 2 years. ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಹಂಗೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ತುಂಬ ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮುಳುಗೋದು. ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ, ಐದರ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಡೌನ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಅಪ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾ ನನಗೆ ಪೋಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಾ? ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಇಕ್ವೇಟರ್ಗಿಂತ ಒಂದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕೆಳಗಿಟ್ರೆ ಪೋಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದನೇ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ 13 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ. ದಿಸ್ ಗೈ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪೋಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್. ಇದೊಂದು ಈ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಒಂದು 13 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ತರ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದ್ಯಾಕೆ 13 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ? ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಚೇರ್ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ನಂಬಿ. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ನಾನು ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದಟ್ ನಾವು. ಪೋಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನಿವಾಗ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಪೋಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿತ್ತಲ್ವ ಮುಂಚೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಡೆನ್ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಪೋಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಸೊ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. ವೀಸಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ. ಸೊ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಊರು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಸೊ ನೀವಪ್ಪ ಏನು ತೋರಿಸಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಅರುಂಧತಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ, ಅದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಇವತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವತ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಕೋರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಮನೆಗೆ. ಉರ್ಸಾ ಮೇಜರ್ದು ಡೀಟೇಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಕರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಿಜಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ ನೋಡಿ. ಸಪ್ತಋಷಿ ಮಂಡಲದಲ್ಲಿ 7 ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಇದೆ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. ಇದು ಆಲ್ಕರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಂಗೆ ಬಂದು ನೀವು ಅಮ್ಮಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದೇನೋ, ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗಂಡ ತೋರಿಸಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ ಅರುಂಧತಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರನ? ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನೋಡಿದಿರ, ಏನೋ ತೋರಿಸಿದಾರೆ, ಫೋಟೋ ಪೋಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡಿಗೂ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅರುಂಧತಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಿಜಾರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಕರ್, ಮಿಜಾರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅರುಂಧತೀಸ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್. ಯಾರು ಮಿಜಾರ್? ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಹೆಸರೇನು ವಸಿಷ್ಠ. ಕೇಳಿಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು? ಹಾಂ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಇವಾಗ? ಮಿಜಾರ್ ವಸಿಷ್ಠ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಭೃಗು, ವಸಿಷ್ಠ, ಅಗ್ನಿರಸ್, ಅತ್ರಿ, ಪುಲತ್ಸ್ಯ, ಪುಲುಹ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ರತು. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ 7 ಸಪ್ತ ಋಷೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸಪ್ತಋಷಿ ಮಂಡಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೇನು ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ತರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ವಸಿಷ್ಠ. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ದ ಸನ್, correct? I go around the sun. So when there are stars are huge, time ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕುಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. 11:10 ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೀವು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಕುಯ್ಸ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ ಡೈಲಿ? ವಾವ್, ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆಲ್ವಾ? ಅದೊಂದು ಹಾಡಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಕುಯ್ಯೋದೆ ನನ್ನ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸು. ಹಂಗೇನ ಇರೋದು ಅದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬೇರೆ ಥರ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನಂದಾದ್ರೂ ಕುಯ್ಯೋದೇ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ವಿ? ಹಾಂ, ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಂ. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್, ದೇ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ make planets go around them, they also make stars go around them. Correct? Like Aishwarya, Salman Khan going around Aishwarya Rai, star going around a star. Correct? That's a good example of a twin star system. Abhishek Bachchan going around, alva? If I go around Aishwarya Rai, then planet going around a star. When star goes around a star, it's called as binary system, or the triplets also there. Now more explode. Example, which is the nearest star to the earth? Proxima Centauri is Alpha Centauri ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ. Proxima Centauri is not one star. Actually there are 3 stars: Alpha Centauri, Beta Centauri, Gamma Centauri. It's a triplets. They are going around each other. I don't know whether they are going around, but yes, mostly the stars go around another star. But this Vasishtha and Arundhati, earlier days they were assumed to be a twin star system. They are not actually right now, but for their knowledge then they thought it's like this. You want to come? Push your limits. Usually if I am that big star, I am Salman Khan, you are Aishwarya Rai, you go around me. Okay, this is one system, right? Correct? If she is a bigger star, I'll go around her. Correct? So this is how even a family, old people wanted to be, right? Husband, wife should be good and going, hi, hello. That's what they wanted, because it is a male dominated society earlier. Never Hindu system, Indian system never said so. So, beautiful example is this Vasishtha and Arundhati's story. They believed that husband should not go around a wife should not go around a husband. Even husband also should not go around a wife. Hi, darling, how are you? That should not happen. The family, beautiful family, such family, that family where we go around each other. Should we go around each other? Correct? Yeah, we are going around each other. It's a beautiful thing to do. Correct? Is it a good thing to do? Wife also goes around husband and husband also goes around wife. A good thing to do, right? So they assumed Alkar and Mizar, they were like that. They go around each other in that twin star system. And that makes a beautiful couple for our civilization. Correct? Sit down. Mizar is Vasishtha. Alkar is Arundhati. If you want to write down, if you want to go and show your mom today, and it is visible today because summer, right? It's beautifully visible in the evening sky in the north. I'll show you how to check out also. If you have downloaded which app, Sky Map, just go and check it out. Go and check your north, and you'll be able to see Mizar and Alkar right now. First, you see it before marriage. I do not want to be like this. If I get married, I will live like them, like Vasishtha and Arundhati. Check it out now. You will show it to your friends also. So means, but actually they are not like that. Huh? Right now they are not. It's a different star altogether. Not even in that place. But as a constellation is different. Constellation is a apparent view. Stars can be at a different distance altogether. Correct? So are you able to download all of you? Yes. Now one by one mobiles are coming out. They are inside deep. Download. No. Downloads. I want you to download Google Sky Map only. Easy to discuss. And switch on your GPS and data so that your mobile is set to Bangalore latitude. You can go on settings and check what's the Bangalore latitude also. It will show 12.97. See, sometimes it will be stagnant. There is one more for automatic button will be there. You explore. You are smart guys. I know. Got it? Very good. Are you able to see? Okay, now see, this is in the manual mode. It should be in the auto mode. There's a button here. If you switch it, it will go to automatic mode. Switching to manual mode, switching to automatic mode. And go to settings and find out whether, example, settings. In the settings, you will say location settings. And you will say always use GPS, set location manually. No, don't do that. You can also set location manually also. So don't do that. Always use GPS. So then you will be able to check it out. So, and go and look for Ursa Major. That is Saptarishi Mandala. It will be in the north, beautifully visible. And again, ask your mom and dad to do the same pose like this, like this. Earlier it was like this, no? Now it's like this. Done? Are you able to see that? Also, one more very prominent constellation these days is Orion constellation. Orion in that also I'll show you now. And today we are going to graph them. We'll graph them, see how their coordinates are, how to measure them, how to measure their movement, how to find out if you want to become that. This is Ursa Major, right? Orion is this. Orion will look like this. And what's the color of the star? White. No, that's what you never. Very sad part is, already you guys are 16-year-old. You never seen sky, not even a day. Not even watch a star to see where it is, how it looks. Very good. You love stars. Very good. Which stars you love? Kannada, Hindi, Bollywood, Hollywood, no? Stars in the sky. Okay, so Uh, some stars are blue, some stars are red. This guy, that Betelgeuse, go and check it today. That guy will be red in color. You'll be like, you'll really feel wow, seeing a red color star. I'm sure you're not seen that precisely in the sky. So go today, Orion constellation will be beautifully visible. Okay, so you'll be able to notice that the three belt and Saif, Regal, Bellatrix, all this is you'll be able to see it beautifully. Correct, and these are the, I think this is the seventh brightest star and this is the 11th brightest star. Either ways, I'm not that memory specialist. So, so the Betelgeuse will be red in color, and for this belt, straight down, one brightest star you will see, it will be glowing like this, multicolors. Which is that? Very good, brightest star in the sky, Sirius, which will be just in line with that three belt. It's called as Orion belt. Okay, are you able to see that? Check it in your book, check it in your mobile phone. I'll show it in the software now. Hey, sorry guys, are you enjoying? Yes, or information is not irrelevant to your... 1 second, you want me to come down there? Yes. Huh? Perfect. Of course. The moon is down. Go in the... See, better to see is go in the evening. Everything, you will be able to see Jupiter. Evening, Venus is beautifully visible these days. Even Jupiter, even Mars. You'll be able to see them. Okay, how to identify them? One is use Google Maps. There's something called as ecliptic. What it is called? Ecliptic is the path of the sun. Usually, the solar system is around the sun, right? All these planets, moon, sun, everything will be in that line only. Got it? It's called as ecliptic. The line, the path of the sun is called as ecliptic in the sky. So, sun, moon, Jupiter, everything is same line. If you see Venus here, in the same line, others will be. Some will be down, will not be able to see them. But some will be able to, which are visible in the morning, will be able to see them. Especially Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, I don't know where it is. Let's check it out. For today, where is, and guys, whatever I'm showing is real time. This is the real time information I'm showing. But time is different here. I don't know why. Oh, it's ulta. PM AM has become. But the real time information is what we'll be seeing here. I don't know how to change this. This is real time. Because I wanted to show evening sky, right? Whatever you are seeing here is a real time information. Same thing is there in the sky right now. If it is north, no, we have to go to east, right? See, this is a place. Orion constellation is here in the morning right now. You'll not be able to see him. If time passes, and Taurus also one, in Taurus there is a star called as Aldebaran. That's also red in color. It will be next to your, see all these Taurus, see Mars is here, Sun is here, Jupiter is next to him, means you should see exactly at the sunset, you'll be able to see Jupiter today. And Venus will be somewhere here. Jupiter, na? Array, boss. I'll show you the evening sky better. Evening sky is around this is evening sky, right? This evening sky, right? Look at this. Jupiter is exactly at the sunset. You'll be able to see Jupiter today. And maybe Venus is somewhere here, na? Search for Venus. Venus is down. Means, no. He'll come later, after the sunset. Maybe, see this? Venus is coming now. See? Venus is here. Are you able to see him? But all planet position will change. Unlike star positions. Stars are very far, right? They are permanent. So they are permanent. Only sun and planets will keep changing. Ma'am told na Guru entering, Shani entering. What are they? Means they enter your constellation is, for example, Taurus. Saturn might enter that zone. Saturn might be in your constellation. That day is Saturn is what? Shani. Jupiter is Guru. Correct. If Jupiter is in your constellation, that is Guru in your constellation. If that is entering, that can happen. Correct? ನೀವು ಯಾರು ನಾರ್ತ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? 7.5 ಅಂತ ಬೈತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? 7.5 ಅಂತ ಬೈತಾರೆ. ಏನು 7.5 ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಹಾಂ 7 ಶನಿ ಕಟ ಅದೇ 7.5 ಅಂತಾರಲ್ವಾ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ Saturn entering. It will take 2 years to Saturn to come out of your constellation. 2 years is a tough time or a good time. I am running 7.5. Modi is also running 7.5. It can be good or bad also. Shani can be good also, bad also. All stories, but they're all calculations like that. If that constellation Guru are together, then that example, let's see where our Saturn is, which constellation Saturn is. Let's find out. But that's a moon sign, huh? We want Saturn, right? Saturn in Aquarius now. Shani is in Aquarius. Means he has left me. I was in Capricornus. He has left me and he's entered Aquarius now. Meena Rashi. Oh, Shani is behind you. Shani is behind you. No, you're not the Shani. I'm joking, dude. Don't call me Shani. Don't worry. Don't cry now. Good. Awesome, man. So much of information. Means, unfortunately, we stupid Indians had so much of information, so much of knowledge. We did not apply it. I don't know. God said, why we didn't do? Time has come for all of us to apply that knowledge you have, and let's take us to the next level altogether. Next 20 years belongs to us, guys. Next 20 years, electronic revolution, automotive. Last 20 years, cars. Which cars were very prominent on the roads? Which cars? Name the cars which are very prominent last 20 years. Alto. Maruti, Bangalore streets. Great. Honda, Hyundai, right? Mostly Honda, Hyundai. Now, I have seen which are very prominent. Tata, then Toyota is okay, but more prominent is Tata and Kia. Kia is also good, going good. Then Audi is not prominent. Mahindra only tractor we knew. Now amazing car, 700, XUV 700 is beautiful. Thar is like rocking the stage now. Okay, so only Maruti was there. Now Tata Indica was there. Now Tata Harrier is awesome. And what is that? Supercar. No, Tatas. Land Rover. So Land means Jaguar also Indian. Tata. So see, means already we are on the stage is set for all of you. By the time you are there, entrepreneurs will be ready to welcome you, or you will be one entrepreneur to welcome others. So ready to rock and roll? Yes, for which pressure down. Joking, my dear. You Shani caught you today. So Shani ka nazar aapka upar. No? Okay. I'll catch hold of someone else. Are you okay? Okay. So means let's start. Everything you read from a textbook, whether it's history, civics, geography, think through careers. Maybe chapter called as maybe something on digestion, something on agriculture. You don't know. I'm just carrying this book these days because I'm not again guys, I'm not a teacher. I was an engineer. Right now I'm a marketing and sales guy. Okay, I love doing that. I'm an entrepreneur, so I think through that. But I love these kind of informations. See, I am carrying this book called as my career workbook. This is amazing. Huh? For so many career opportunities around us, it helps us know. Fashion. If you are, don't worry, you have to take science and you have to, or if you want to take science, science through career, through, if you love fashion also, you can take science and fashion together. Correct? Do you know why America and China are able to win more Olympic golds? Because they worked hard? Bullshit, we are also working hard. Technology. Smart, not smart working, technology they used. They worked, means they took a statistics, data collection. What makes me run faster? What makes me swim faster? What shot might other people are playing? What I shouldn't play? Every data they analyzed. They used AI. They used every possible science and technology to understand how world works. Not that is one thing. Hard work is also important. But swimming suit, the dress they wore, we were maybe. Dress, shoes they wore, dress they wore, drinks they, food they ate. They're also able, Sania Nehwal, they also able to win. Why? She followed that pattern of nutrition, what to eat, what not to eat. Did you hear that story? She did not eat pizza for biryani, that her favorite food. She did not eat for years. That she could, that we are able to understand and apply it after such a long time to win that medal, not even gold. Imagine to go there, it's all about science and technology and data collection and information, not just the sheer hard work. Correct? For you also to win exams, if you start solving exam papers from today, it will not work for you. That you should start only from December. Last 3 months retention of information will be more. Right now, you have to understand the concept, go detail, go more. Watch movies around it, for example. Example, light. Go and understand how telescopes are designed, what Aristotle did. That information is good. Somewhere at the back, that is already creating a stage for you for the future. Create the stage right now till December. Don't study for exams from now onwards. Only from December your exam preparation should start. Got it? Whatever people say, you score less in tests, don't worry about them. You concentrate on acquiring knowledge right now. Think through careers. Good to go? Very nice. Example, First World War, Second World War, contemporary India. Go and watch beautiful videos in YouTube. There are superb series about India, about imperial world, World War. So many good things are there. Go and watch them. Watch like a movie. Hitler movies are there. Watch them. Do that extra stuff right now, 2 months before unit test starts. Correct? Chalo. Coming back to our work. This is good to go, right? Now what we will do right now? Actual camp will start now, workshop will start now. I've given some graph sheets to you. Okay? So what we will do is, open your graphs. These are things you have. These sheets I'm going to give you. You know how to use graphs, right? You want Orion constellation or Ursa Major? Okay, you can do both, but why Ursa Major? Because you want to show Arundhati and Vasishtha to your dad. This is Ursa Major, right? Let's not see. This is a complete. Okay. Again, first of all, what is constellation? Constellation is some real estate. They're all real estate agents were there. So they did the real estate business. They thought, why land will also go to sky. They marked some areas and said, this is one constellation, this is another constellation. This real constellation is just the real estate of the sky. But if one star is here, it's okay. Another star is here. They are not friends. They are nowhere together. Alker is somewhere far, and Mizar is here. But apparently they look like as if they are husband and wife. They are not. Got it? Constellation doesn't mean that the stars are together. Apparently they are together. Did you understand? What did I say? For example, when I see from here, it looks like this guy and you are sitting together. Okay, usually 3D, we have 3D vision, right? Close one eye and see. I think that he is sitting next to you. But you guys are sitting next to each other. But for me, looks like very far all you guys are together in one frame. Did you get it? So that is constellation. Good to go? Likewise, the whole sky is divided into how many constellations? 88. Some frames they have made. One of the frame is this one. Look at this. This is a real estate they have done. I really don't understand why stupid people, they would have made some squares, right? Proper squares. I don't know why. See this? Are you able to get this? This is the complete thing is a constellation. In the constellation, whatever the star comes, every star has a name. If they are not named, go find out, they'll put your name. I'm serious. Okay, find a star and get your name on that. They'll not give you money, only name. Okay, now, can you please read louder all these things? What is the first name? Alkyd. Next. Fekda. Any Gujaratis here? Maybe any Gujarati might have found that star. No? All the Gujarati names are like that. Fevda, Fafda, Kagda, like that. This is Fekda. This one is? And? Let's not go to them. Only we will only study this Saptarushi Mandala only today. Okay, let's not go to the complete constellations. These are the only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 only I have put in mark. Rest also, if you have time, you can also put these things to get that whole thing. Okay. So these are the names. So they have scientific names also. These real estate agents do not have any work. So they increase our work to study. Because of them, we have to prepare for many exams. Eta, Zeta, this is epsilon, delta, alpha, beta, gamma. These are the people. Good to go? Now what is magnitude? Magnitude is brightness. More the brightness, lesser the magnitude. Did you get it? More the brightness, lesser the magnitude. In these stars, which is brightest? That is Dubhe. Dubhe is the brightest star in, correct? 1.8 is the magnitude. And then let's go to this one. Which is the brightest star? Betelgeuse. Betelgeuse, I think it's a, let's find out. Brightest stars in the sky. First one is, which is the brightest star in the sky? Sun, guys. I did not say night sky. Sun is first. Second one is, third one is Canopus. Then next one is Regal Centaurus, that is Alpha Centauri. Then Arcturus, Vega, Capella, Regal. Then Betelgeuse is 10th. Correct? Look at this, 0.5 is the magnitude. Correct? And Regal is 1.3 is the magnitude. Same thing is recorded here also. 0.13 and 5. Correct? Regal is the brightest in Orion constellation. This is the 7th brightest. 7th brightest. Betelgeuse is 10th brightest. Awesome. So you know so many star names now. Correct? How many you knew before? Orion is a constellation. How many stars name you knew? No, are you sure? You knew? No, you knew. No? Are you sure? Stars. Puneet Rajkumar, you knew? He was a star, right? No, he's not a star? Of course he's a star, right? So, how many you know now? At least 10 you should know. At least. Tell me 10, closing your eyes. Regal, Sun, Alpha Century, Sirius, then Dubé, Mizar, Alcar, then Betelgeuse, good. Saif, Bellatrix, Vega, Capella. Oh my God. Awesome, right? Now, I want you to go every night, spend some time dancing with those stars. Correct? Be one star among them later, not now. So, these are the names of the brightest stars in the sky. See, this guy, Betelgeuse is red in color. Also, this Aldebaran. Aldebaran is part of Taurus. This is also visible. Mars is also red. Huh? If you go in the sky, if you properly observe, you'll see 3, 4 red items. One is Mars. Mars also visible these days. And also Betelgeuse and Regal. Use sky map to know better. Okay, coming back to these ones. Okay, let's mark these things, these stars. Okay, now if you want to graph it, y, this is x, this is y, right? Which one you should take and which one you should y? Which should be lengthier? Which is lengthier in this? One, this is lengthier. Make x like this and y like this. Because this has more coordinates, right? Okay, will you do it? X is sleeping now. Landscape, x is sleeping and y is up now. And mark these stars. Dude, mark the stars. If you make it quickly, I'll give one more graph sheet and we'll do 2 stars. But you have to make it quick. This is x, this is y, because x has more coordinates. Why you want to start from here? Start from corner only, no? Easy. Don't mark new line there. Start from the corner. Corner should be 0, 0. Why you want to do that? This is 0, 0. Done. You just start marking the points. Don't use scale for anything right now. For example, check this out. If this is the case, this is 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, till 150 till will come here. Until 100, 120 will come here, correct? Now you have to point. For example, 14, 14 by 105. Point will come. That you have to mark. All of you have pencils? You want? You can use pen also. Pass it, pass it. There may not be sharp. Pencil? Huh? What done? I want you to, of course, na? You are creating a constellation. And I want you to mark beautiful that Saptarishi I want you to mark. Any pencils? What? You need pencil. Call it 0, 0. 10, 20, 30, 40. Again 10, 20, 30, 40. Zero is here, right? This is 0. Make it corner 0 so that you have, don't write it on the paper. Write it on the bottom. Easy to do it, right? You learned graphs, right, already? Hello, ma'am. for your group. This is for your group. This is for your group. This is for your group. I'll tell you when to use this. Sorry. What are we waiting for? You want a pencil? Why you want to start from here? You would have started from here, right? You would have started 0, 0 should have become this, right? Easy. It's okay. Better write 10, 20, 30 here also. Easy to mark. Did it? Then join the lines. Done? Good. Join the lines to see whether. Very nice. Good one. Saptarushi Mandala. Very nice. Good one. Write the names also. Write the names of the stars. Hmm. Hmm. Alkyd. Now you are with National College. Oh, you're just volunteering. Otherwise, you're still with presidency. Okay. Oh, okay. 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 You means you are organizing this. No. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Engineering students. Some- awesome. Nice. Superb. If you have done that, what I want you to do is you map that on the black sheet given. Use pen and mark it on the black sheet. I want the impression of the points on the black sheet. you put that paper on the graph sheet on the black sheet, and using pencil or a pen, you just punch it and see that mark and mark those lines. Same thing what you done in the graph sheet, I want that on the black sheet. Get the impression on the black sheet. Same drawing I want on the black sheet. ಹಂಗಿಟ್ಟು ಪೆರಿಂದ ಚುಚ್ತಾ ಹೋಗು. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ you put it on the black sheet. Do the same drawing there. Means what? How does it matter? End of the day, you will get that. Whichever order you make, you have to get that pattern, right? Then got it? Do the same thing. Whatever you have done on the graph sheet, same impression I want it on the black sheet. Awesome. Now once that is done, for people who are progressing faster, I have given these are zinc sulfide stickers, glow in the dark stickers. They'll glow in the night. If you just put shall we switch off the lights here? We don't know how to do it. How did this happen? Someone heard me or what? Lights on? No, then it's okay. No, lights off. Or it is AI controlled. For example, see this. Okay, so I can write on that. I can say line. If you use you get UV pens in the market, you know that, right? Invisible. If you use that, it will be like super bright, it will glow. This white light, right? Still not that great. Using UV light will grow better. Okay? So what you need to do? Lights on. Wow, man, this is magical. Actually, you know that, right? Using Arduino, you can do all these things at home. Good. So what do you want? Where is my PPT gone? Wherever magnitude less than 2 are there, I want you to use bigger sticker. Lower the magnitude, brighter the star, right? Less than 2 magnitude, big sticker. Wherever 2 patterns, medium sticker. Wherever there is more than 2, I want you to use small stickers. On the black sheet, every table, every zone I have given this sticker, use them and put it on the black sheet. These are stickers you can pluck from it. See, example 0.19, 0.19, 0.18, big stars. Dubhe, Alioth and Alkyd, big stars. 2.3, 2.4, 2.5 medium, and only that Mizar, not Mizar, Megrez, only the small star. Huh? Put that on the black sheet now. Huh? I think these people have more. We can. There are many in that. You can take it from them. This is wrong. Huh? No, no, no. So, I think one went wrong for you. Check from others. See this. This will come like this. I think maybe will come somewhere here. Maybe check it out. Wrong, wrong. This line is not required. Wrong graph. Huh? This is good. Correct one. The graph would come like this. If it has not come, please check your coordinates again. .4 is medium size. Very good. Put the stickers now. 2.4 is medium sticker. 1.9, 1.9, 1.8 big stickers. So the Mizar and Alcare big sticker or small sticker? Medium. 2.3, right? Medium sticker. If you want to put one small sticker next to Mizar, that's also fine. To show that there is a Mizar. Mizar coordinates are same, right? Do one thing. Just next to Mizar, put one small sticker. That is Arundhati. So this one, second one, the Mizar, you put one more sticker next to it, small one, against the big one, against the medium one. I think mistake. Done? Put the stickers on. Stickers is given though. It's there. It's there. On the other chair. You have stickers, right? Huh? Points ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. Bigger one, of course. No? Lower the magnitude, brighter the star. And one more thing, guys. Listen to me now. Stop whatever you're doing. Whatever is written, they are called as apparent magnitude. What is that? Means from me, how brighter they appear. But actually, if I go near to it, that might be big. So they are called as absolute magnitude. Absolute magnitude is real magnitude, means real brightness. But for me, that might be very, very far, even though that's Betelgeuse is brighter than sun. Correct? But it's very far. That's apparent magnitude is small. But absolute magnitude would be much more bigger than sun. Did you get this point? Absolute magnitude and apparent magnitude. Very nice. Write the names also. Very nice. Good one. Draw the lines and write the names. Write the names. Show me yours. Who showed me? Put one small here for the Alker. Second says sticker medium, yes. Guys, do you know what happened? I'll tell you one sad story. Listen to this sad story. I used to be very bright student in math. Okay? Always I used to score out of 100 out of 100 when I was that young like you. And 10th, what I did was, I was over ambitious. Okay, I was not good in Kannada and social science. What I did, I practiced more Kannada and physics, and I topped both Kannada and not physics, social science. I topped them. I always used to score lowest for them, and also English. But I topped Kannada and social science. I got lowest for maths. That's a sad story. Still, I cry for it. Do you know why? I did not practice graph. Graph usually we used to get for 8 marks. I lost all, that is like a passing mark. Anybody who, the not bright student, they are taught graph but because they get 8 marks easily. I lost that 8 marks mercilessly because of my overconfidence. Correct? So, either way, exam is not how bright you are. Exam is how beautifully you have practiced. So, always uh, think through that. It's okay, that's for your own thing, right? Star also in the sky, when you see it, are you able to see the names there? So that's why it's given black. Only stars will be able to see. Where's your mom and dad? They're not your mom and dad. They are. Tell them that you should be like Vasishtha and Arundhati. You should not go around each other, but you should go around each other, not one behind other. How is at home? Mom goes behind dad or dad goes behind mom? That's a secret, my dear friend. You should not disclose. If dad comes to know this, then. But don't worry, every home that's the same case. Immediately after marriage, mom will be going around dad. After children, mom will go around. Sorry, dad will go around moms. Okay, written this one and pencil. Write the names also. And I want you to go and check the stars in the sky, real sky, using Google Map. And you're showing, I want the pictures. If you have a WhatsApp group, please send your mom, dad showing Arundhati Nakshatra, your dad in the WhatsApp group today. That's the assignment. The real, I want your dad and mom to watch real Vasishtha and Arundhati. They are considered as most beautifully lived couple ever, according to our stories. Good one. Mark them on the black sheet and do it. Fourth is 3.3, right? Lowest. The smallest you have to put. I'll show it. Yeah, perfectly you have done. Good one. Good one. And next to Mizar, put one more star, small one, next to Mizar, demonstrating or showing Alkar. Don't show it that far, man. It's like divorced couple. Very nice. Very nice. Nice. Name them also. Do one thing, if you have a mobile phone, put the light on that. Put the light, keep light on that for a few seconds, and then let's switch on the lights and see how beautifully you'll be able to see that constellation. Put the light on it. Sir, lights on? Sir, lights off? No remote. Lights off? Ayo, magic is not working. Lights off. Finish it. Check it now. Are you able to see in the night? Are you able to see that? But you'll be able to see, because of this brightness, we'll switch off this also. See, just check it from the corner. See, you'll be able to see them. See this? See that now? You'll be able to see them, right? If I put that light, it'll be more brighter. See this? Are you able to see this? Yeah, let's have a photograph with this. Ready? Who's this? Who's this? See this? Beautiful, right? Beautiful. Awesome. Next time you use UV light and see, it'll be like, it'll hold for longer time because UV rays are stronger than white light. See that? ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಇಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು. Good to go. All lights on? Good. I have a quiz for all of you now. If you have finished, shall we start the quiz? Yeah, others continue to do. For who have finished, let's have the quiz. Quiz number 1. When is New Moon Day? Did I ask you, my dear darling? No? Red hot chili pepper. Yes, tell me. Or together means they rise together, set together. Fabulous. When sun and moon are together, that day is a new moon day. Moon is not visible because it's rising with sun, setting with sun. Superb, right? Awesome. And what is the difference between new moon day and eclipse? Huh. Huh. They're in the same plane, but they're not in the line. Good one. So next, like sun rises and sun sets, star also rise, star also set. Correct, na? Because sun is also a star. Correct? Very good. And are we able to see stars in the southern hemisphere? Partially. Because 13 degree, right? Another 30, 40 degree will be able to see. But you will not be able to see pole star of the southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere also has a pole star for them. Because we northern hemisphere, we means especially Europeans are very stronger in the northern hemisphere. They only said only one pole star for northern hemisphere. But there should be one for southern also, right? Great. And do all stars have names? How many constellations are there right now? Very good. How many zodiac constellations? Are moon signs and sun signs are same? Why they are not same? Constellations are same. What the impact on us will be? First of all, there is no impact. But apparent impact, will it be same? Why? It depends on what? Movement of the sun and moon. So if I have a Aries as is my zodiac sign, how it is considered? During your birth, that constellation should be behind the sun, then sun sign. If that constellation behind moon, then it is got to go? Awesome. Which is the brightest star in the sky? Sun. Night sky? Okay. What is the magnitude of Sirius? Did you check it? Minus 1.14. Good, yeah, good observation. Who said that? Minus 1.46? But few could see that, right? Good observation. The observation skills are good. Even canopus, see, look at this. These are all apparent magnitude, visual magnitude they are. Which is the 10th brightest star? What is the color of that star? Very good. So many things. Now I have one beautiful thing for you. All close your eyes. I'm going to tell 15 star names. I do not want you to write. You have to just memorize them. I want you to vomit it back later on when I ask you to. Correct? Close your eyes. Don't put your pencil out. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Please close your eyes. Start memorizing them. Regulus, Mimosa, Danube, Pollux, Spica, Antares, Albedaron, Acres, Altair, Hadar, Betelgeuse, Achernar, Procyon, Regal, Capella, Vega, Arcturus, Regal Centaurus, Canopus, Sirius, Sun. 20 stars I told. I'll repeat all of them. Please close your eyes. It's a memory game. I'll repeat. Regulus, Mimosa, Danube, Pollux, Spica, Antares, Albedaron, Acrux, Altair, Hadar, Betelgeuse, Achernar, Procyon, Regal, Capella, Vega, Arcturus, Regal Centaurus, Canopus, Sirius, Sun. Open your eyes. Okay. Write down at the back. Write maximum you could remember. Twenty of them. Not same order, the way you want it. At least 5 you could write. Anybody could write 5? Very nice. 10? Not it. See, there are two ways, guys. Okay, one more thing I want to tell all of you, which is extremely important for all of you. Again, my own case study. Each line I read, my stress level increases by 10 times. Each line I read. If I have to read a textbook, I used to go mad. Because one line I read, my imagination goes wild. Every line I read, my imagination goes wild. When I say First World War started 1999, 1919, I'll start thinking what would have happened, World War, how the scene would be. I'm serious. I never could read. Okay? And when I was young, I was a good listener. When some boring teachers started boring me with lots of information, I stopped listening also. Means my reading skills gone for a toss, even my listening capabilities. How will I write my exams? Correct? And my memory is very bad. I cannot memorize. So means a good sign of a bad student. Agree with me? A good sign of a bad student, right? And I'm extremely lazy also. I used to be, now I'm very active, but I used to be extremely lazy. Call my old friends and teachers, they'll say, laziest fellow in the class will be me. Correct? Again, one more bad sign of a good student. Correct? A good sign of a bad student. So, still I could do better in my exams. It was a big struggle. You know what I did? Anyone can check out, can help me know how I could score good? Understood also, I should read or I should write, I should listen, right? I couldn't listen, I couldn't read. Both I was bad at. Imagination, how can I don't even know what it is. How could I imagine so much? Fantabulous. People used to fear me during exams because I used to go and stand there and I used to start a group discussion with them. Trust me, 60% of my mark came from group discussions. And people who are I used to go and teach people who are bad in studies. And in the discussion, I used to learn. Point number one. Second, I would do is, I used to write. Whatever is, I rewrite it again. How much ever read, half I understood, I rewrite again. While reading, something could have missed, I went back and checked. Still, when I go to meetings, I always carry, my diary is always with me. Because I couldn't remember much, right? I write down. Any conclusion, I write it there only, before I send the minutes of the meetings. Otherwise, I'll forget. Even my meetings, everything I forget. I have a person who will remind me all the time. Shashank, sir, you have a meeting, there 1 o'clock. So I have one person who would just remind me. If I don't take calls, it goes to someone else to remind me. Means, why I'm telling this story is not necessarily that you have to be good in everything. You find what you are good at and practice that and excel in that and try to avoid which will stop you doing good through something. So you'll excel. Not necessarily that you have to be, I was not a bright student. I'm not even an average student. But I could do better, only I realized what I am. It is my story, I'm not telling some stupid story from someone. I love giving case studies. Usually 80% I give my case studies because I have experienced it. All these things, these ones, I checked it. I mean, I'm so confident about what I'm teaching right now because I have written down. I practiced, I went watched in the sky. Practical experience also. Get it? Still, when someone says electrons goes around a proton, I'm able to visualize. When you go to 11th standard, more complex things will come. Theories will come. I never able to imagine that level. So that's the reason I started Science Utsav. I was a ship designer. I started Science Utsav just to help those children who are different types of learners. Audio learners, visual learners, discussion learners, writing learners. I don't know what else maybe you would have captured from some movies. We don't know what kind you are. So find yourself, find who you are, and forget what people say about you. Excel. You can excel to the core. You can rule the world. I promise you. Only if you know what you are. Okay? Let's try. Come here. Quick. In 3 seconds, you should tell me 3 people you love the most. Name them. Quick, quick. 1, 2, 3, start. Name them quick. What's your name? Ibbani, she did not tell her name. Correct? So she missed her own name. What's the point? Love yourself. Will you? Correct? 3 people you love the most, first should be you. Then mom, then dad, then siblings, then others. Got it? So now tell me the 3 names you love. Very good. Big clap for her. That should be the first name. Got it? Thank you. So love yourself. Think that you are the brightest in the world and you are here for a reason. You are not here to fail. I'll tell you little more an adolescent joke. Okay? You were a sperm once upon a time. Boss, you're all adolescent. So we are grown up already. You're a sperm once upon a time, right? You're one among the millions, right? Only you could succeed. You could hit that egg. Already you have won the race. You are already ahead of millions of them, yeah? Not even 1, millions of them. Did you get it? So you already won. You are here because you have already won that biggest power possible. sperm to whatever you are right now. So, what else to achieve? What rest is a small war to win. Got it? 10th is nothing in front of it. Got it? So, release your pressure, chill, cool, next 1 month, talk nonsense, discuss, read, write, know yourself, love yourself, feel cool, and any pressure, watch movies, related examples, oxidation reaction, not able to understand, go and watch movies. 100 videos are available in the YouTube right now. Optics, still you don't know, guys. My teacher is teaching, he's teaching, keep a lens here, ray comes, candle, keep the candle here, candle will become this, and candle will come here. I am wondering, of all so many things around the world, why I need the candle, why I need the lens, and why should I keep there? Don't have any job. Then I raised my hand and asked, sir, what will happen if I keep the candle on top of the lens? He said, get out of the room. This is a real story I'm telling. My imagination went wild. Why is he keeping? Keep there, keep here, keep here, keep here. There, on top also can keep, no? I was wondering why he's not keeping on the top. I'm serious, my dear star. So, know why. Why he's keeping. Why he wants to analyze that. If you know why he's analyzing, rest is magic for you. Correct? Why he's keeping? He wants to know lens. Can I magnify it? Or can I use it for something else? Can I use it as spectacle? Can I use it for some reason? Then time's up. How much time I have? 10 minutes. Huh? So, I understood. You know the reason why you are studying? It's magic then. Any topic you pick up. Anything you want. Optics is done, electricity. Again electricity. Why if right hand rule helping us reverse the motor, bloody people, why they are not made fan reversing? They got another button to reverse the fan. No, they have not done that. Confusing us. You create another fan which will reverse for you, which can be used as an exhaust fan as well as a normal fan. Exhaust fan is ulta, right? This fan can be made press button down, ulta, top, ulta. Think like that. Think like a small baby. World will be beautiful. Awesome. So 10 minutes or last 10 minutes for me is always questions. Any stupid question you want to ask, please ask. Let's conclude beautifully, and let's sing a beautiful song later on. Any questions? I want you to speak. At least we are good friends now. Again, I'm telling you, I'm not a marketing guy. I may not know the answers also. Don't expect an answer from me again. You just ask. If I know it, I'll tell. Otherwise, someone will help us know. Return the extra stickers and pencil. Keep it there. If you have done it, you're done with it. Meantime, you can ask questions. Okay. One more thing I'll tell you. This is the stupidity and what is it called as? Stupidity of the system. World is run by, okay, for example, I have a quiz to ask. Who is the president of America? Raise your hands. The world is run by them. World is run by fast people. She might be thinking, where is America and why should I know about him? Who is Joe Biden? Why not Trump? While she is thinking, the thinker is sitting there. That guy already answered. Why sky is blue? That girl is thinking still. She might be thinking more wilder than what others know. Correct? The thinkers are at the back bench. They are quiet. And these fast people, not necessarily they are right, but they are running the world. Bad, right? Thinkers should run the country. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Then who is running the country? Fast people, talkative people running the country. Who can talk better, who can raise hands faster are running the country. It's not bad, I'm saying. If you answered it, that's a good thing. But I'm saying we should appreciate the thinkers also who might be thinking better for others. Maybe they might be thinking, maybe she might be thinking future president of America. Correct? So please don't hesitate. Talk. If you do not talk, even though you are knowledgeful, you are good, no one will recognize you. Why should people recognize us? Only because you have to live happily. For your happiness, you have to be recognized. You are an introvert, still you should you need a recognition. Otherwise, you have to go to Antarctica and live with penguins. Huh. Yes. Questions? Ask. It can be any stupid one. Don't worry who is around. Please, I love facts. Awesome. Great, good one. Clap. Even if you go to any country, looking at the pole star, you'll be able to tell, you should be able to tell where you are. Looking at the longitude as a latitude, you should be able to tell who you are. Maybe good one. Next. Just hold on. Huh? Some might be wondering who is Incers. How many of you are thinking like that? All of you know? See? You know, there are some civilizations she mentioned. Correct? But some are wondering who they are. That's a good job. Someone who understood not that, someone who knew or smart, someone who is thinking who they are should also be appreciated because they are thinking. If you are not thinking, then gone case. Chalo. If it is for the same latitude, Bangalore latitude, all other latitudes, pole star is the same location. Maybe his rising time might differ, correct? Appearing time, but he will be there at the same place all the time. Even rising time also will not change for him because he's there only, right? So he'll be there always there at that location, at that degree, at that angle, for the same latitude. Got it? Next. Do one thing now. Think of 10 questions you want to ask and write it down. Even the question can be, why should I ask? You want to carry the mirrors or you want to give it back? You want to carry the mirrors? You want to try the tricks at home? You can carry. These are called as acrylic mirrors. So this is plane mirror. This is convex mirror. This is concave mirror. Check it out doing this. Concave, cave, right? Cave is that this one. This is concave. This is convex. Anybody would like to return this or you want to take it home? Rest over. Want to take it home? You want to give it, you want to give back. I'll use it for others. Oh, take it. Exhausted. Anyone has this? Take it from her. Anyone wants it? Keep it. Enjoy the mirror writing at home. You want to keep it? Enjoy. Good to go? stands for coding. Okay. So now, so delete the document. What did I say? Science. Science is like pure love. Listen to me, all of you. It's like pure love. When you love your mom, you love because you want something back from her. You love it purely, right? There is no vicious thing in that love. Correct? It's pure. No return. Correct? If you're in love with someone, so don't expect a love back. No. I'm loving that guy, he also has to love me back. That is stupidity. Correct? Yes or no? Correct? If you love a girl at your age, so don't expect a love back from her. Because love is pure. It's one way. It's like pure. You're loving something like art. Science is like that. I love stars. I love colors. I love optics. I love plants. It's pure love. Don't expect back from the plant. Boss, I studied about you. Give me fruits. Correct? So that should not happen. That is science. Next is technology. Technology is little selfish. If I learn, मेरे को क्या मिलेगा? What should I get if I study this? Example, it's application of science. If I study about temperature, I should be able to cook food. Correct? What is technology? Application of science. Not necessary that it has to be all these wonderful electronics things. No. Technology means application. Is fire a technology? Only if you use it for cooking or something else. If you don't use it, it will not become a technology. It will become science only. Fire is hot, be away from it. Correct, no? 100 degrees Celsius is science or technology? Science. 100 degree water boils, science or technology? Science. Technology is applied. 100 degree boiled water, 100 degree to cook rice, that is technology. Third guy is not only selfish, he is he's a have you seen in Bangalore, ambulance goes and 3 people go behind it. What we call them? Opportunists, huh? I don't know what should we call them also. Instead of giving way, what they do is they find a way behind the ambulance. Good thing or bad thing? I don't know. Bad for anybody? No, no. But I don't know. Good also. Because they are opportunists, right? Engineers are opportunists. They use science and technology to do something like something to cook. Example, oven, pressure cooker, your favorite. Oven, induction stove, chula, whatever gas stove. So who are they? Who created them? Engineers. Technologists told this can be done for this. Application they showed us. Science people told that water will boil at 100 degrees Celsius. Scientist's job is that. Engineer did it. You have a problem? Don't worry, I have a solution for you. Who gives solution? Scientists will never give solution. They are in their love story. Wow, wow, wow. They are like this, mad people. Seriously, scientists are mad. Being scientists is not an easy job. They're gone case scenarios there. This fellow is more gone case scenario. Okay? So, these scientists, you are that already gone case scenario, you can aspire to be scientists. Engineers are very, very open. What I want from you? Why should I talk to you? Selfish and opportunist engineers. Mathematicians are helping all of us, right? Like, they're also like scientists only, half-mad people. I don't even know why they study so much of big calculation. This guy is both scientist and a mathematician. So many integration calculation made our life pathetic. So the STEM will integrate and it helps us learn everything together to solve a community problem around us. End of the day, yes, there are scientists, they are required to help us grow, but kind of society we are living right now, we need problem solvers. Correct? Apply and solve the problems rather buying all this work. Name of that brand is work. So instead of buying them from Germany, Japan, Sony, we create them for our own ecosystem, like Mahindra and Tata have done it. Correct? What is the question you asked? I forgot. Why should we study stars? One is astronomy is a hobby. One can be for pure love. Correct? Another thing can be if you want to become, if you want to go example, do. Beautiful question. You know Elon Musk? You don't know? Go and study about him. He has a company called SpaceX. Now, your Tesla also. So SpaceX, like ISRO, that it's a private organization for space travel. So study stars, study movements, planetary movements, acceleration, velocity, uniform acceleration, momentum, then also statistics, data collection, um, what is that? Star movements. It's coming towards you or going away from you. So many things. Detailing is there. If you more you study, more you can go towards astrophysics, and it can be next Kalpana Chawla. No, don't laugh at it. You are. You can be. If you want to really love them, want to reach a star, what work towards them from today. We'll go learn about neutrinos, neutron stars, black holes, wormholes, deeper and deeper and deeper space, and get lost. Okay, last two questions we'll wind up. How much time I have? Time's up, huh? Then bye bye, see you. Two more questions and let's close. I have my bag ready also. Go quick, quick. Before they throw me out, let's go out. Yes, my dear. That book is actually not, this is a private book. Some organization, I took it from them. It's called as My Career Workbook. It's from, so it's not available in the market. This is made for some foundation, for something they made it. But yes, soon I might be, I don't know. Right now I'll not be able to help you. I have only one book of this. I don't know. I want to do this because this is extremely important for your age right now. But right now, don't worry till 12. This is not required for your age. Right now, start thinking through your textbooks. I'm sorry, I couldn't help you in this. Next. Quick, quick. Okay. I always do this. Ma'am, it will be great if you take a video of us.
Okay.
Okay, all come here. Keep your bags and come here first. How was the workshop? Did you like it? Yes, sir. Please come here then. Come fast, guys. I'm sure all girls will come here and all boys will come here. What is the opposite of electron? No, that's a wrong answer. Positron. Because neutron, proton is very big, electron is very small. They cannot be your friends. It's like sun and earth. Come together, fast. I want you to hold it for me. I want you to video. Hold your fingers like this, all of you. Hold your fingers like this. And at the count of three, you should do this, okay? Science is cool. Then in this direction. Science is, you should say one leg friend, and say awesome. Okay? One trial. Check this out. Science is cool. Science is awesome. Not to her, man. To the video. To the camera. Okay. 3, 2, 1, start. Science is cool. Science is awesome. Okay. Okay. At the count of 1. Science is cool. Science is awesome. Now one more. Ready? Ready? Now the maximum energy possible. Okay? Throw your electron out and beat the cation you want to beat. Let's roll like a Leo. Wow! Ready? Science is cool. Science is awesome. Thank you guys. Had a great time. Love you guys. So all the best for your career. Enjoy. I don't know whether we meet again or not, but let's meet in the space later, deep space. You can study about us later. Who asked that question? You only, right? No. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, all the best, guys. Thank you very much. Had a great time. Bye bye.
Thank you very much, Shashank sir, on behalf of Bangalore Summer School. Can I have you all seated quick for just 2 minutes, if you don't mind? So all the way from stars to constellations and making everyone feel that they are the stars. Thank you very much. So you can also visit Science Utsav, if I'm not wrong. Is it open now?
No, actually, in center we don't run a center right now. We work directly work with schools, so
Okay.
not for public right now.
Not for public. Okay, that's great. So Shashank sir's work has been seen at schools also. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್ನವ್ರು ಏನಾದರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಥರ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ದೆರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಟೂ ಮೆನಿ ಶಶಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಅನ್ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ ಏನೋ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲೇ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬಾರ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಥರ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ದೆರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಟೂ ಮೆನಿ ಶಶಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೂ ಮೆನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೊ ಹೋಪ್ಫುಲಿ ವಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಟೂ ಮೆನಿ ಶಶಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್
More than Shashank, I want more man.
yeah, we want more mad people here. Okay, na? So will you all think of becoming mad at least? Yeah? Being mad is also good at times. Yeah? Good. So once again, thank you, Shashank sir. Thank you very much.
Very much, guys. Bye-bye.
I want you all to stay back. Ajit sir is going to come back and give you some instructions for tomorrow's session.